Ever struggled to get that perfect sear on a steak, with a crust that's charred just right and an inside that's juicy and medium rare all the way through? Or wished your homemade mac and cheese could rival the gooey, velvety Blue Box version, but taste way better? If so, The Food Lab by J. Kenji Lopez Alt is exactly what you need. This New York Times bestseller breaks down the science behind classic American dishes, helping you cook smarter, not harder. Kenji isn't just any cookbook author. As Serious Eats' culinary nerd in residence, he's spent years dissecting how heat and ingredients interact to create flavors and textures that home cooks often miss. The Food Lab reveals why traditional methods sometimes fall short, and offers fresh, simple techniques that guarantee better results every time you step into the kitchen. What makes this book stand out? Over 1,000 full-color photos guide you through hundreds of easy-to-follow recipes. Whether you want to whip up a foolproof hollandaise sauce in just 2 minutes or transform one basic tomato sauce into 6 different dishes, Kenji's detailed instructions and approachable style make it all doable, even if you're not a pro chef yet. One reader summed it up perfectly. This book blends the wisdom of Harold McGee and the joy of cooking with the mastery of classic culinary arts. It's a resource you'll return to for years, learning something new every time. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the number of cookbooks out there, The Food Lab cuts through the noise with its clear, science-backed approach. Beyond just recipes, The Food Lab changes how you think about cooking. It teaches you what really matters in the kitchen, understanding why certain techniques work and how to adapt them to your own style. This means better flavor, texture, and confidence, no matter what you're making. If you're serious about improving your cooking or just want to impress friends and family with dishes that taste like they came from a top restaurant, this book is worth a look. It's not just a cookbook, it's a kitchen mentor that helps you unlock your potential one recipe at a time. Ready to transform your meals and cooking skills? Give yourself the gift of The Food Lab. With its proven methods and approachable explanations, you'll never second-guess your cooking again. Try it when you're ready to cook smarter, not harder.